Yet here in 2016, a sort for Imam for most original party. The movie was 8 years, Janko movie. And then now, what's the other more soft beer? No, Tima party now, with Jaya, your quiet young Pananaso, near Panacho. Yet a committee, Ira Magupe.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana and 70 VGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. There was some for still on the thank you tour issues. Kene Japan, Honorable Kene Japan, one of the contestants to become flag bearer in the past delegates election. He's also on the thank you tour, and he has been speaking. And he again is talking about unity. Unity, because Honorable Ken still believes and rightly believes so. Say, without unity, there is no way NPP will ever come back to power. A fragmented party can never make its way back into power. Right direction. He again is calling, say, Grofobiti say Alan Tremantin, and former chairman Paul Afoko. And the rest of people hopes na doyemuni others are due to one reason or the other have left the party now. I say party no grant you more amnesty so that they will be able to come back into the party if they want. Now, Honorable Ken, me, I also believe in unity. I believe in unity. I believe, say, indeed, for our party, NPP, to go back to power there, we must be united. But I have my reservation, and a lot of people also have their reservation, about people who desert a group because they are not happy with one or two things. Yes. Honorable Ken himself will admit, say, when we went into the delegates election, first super delegate election, he wasn't happy with a couple of things. Ohona showdown since Minaba. Okay. Now, following up after that delegate election, you observe, say, Sana, not all the reports as we were being told or as we were seeing on social media were true. There were issues of misreports, misrepresentation. I see a boo biwaha, no yembu bia. You get it? Again, Honorable Ken, Onwa, I can also admit, he was very strategic. He won some of the regions. In fact, even in the main delegate election, he won at places that Dr. Bamion didn't win. Upa Volta region, Ken won. So most of the delegates in Volta region sided with Ken. They went along Ken's policy, Ken's vision, Ken's ideas. And in a strategy, how you strategize for the election, how you carry out your campaign, how you are able to mobilize the grassroots, the base of the party to believe in your vision. The same cannot be said of Alan. Alan, Mika communication team. Alan, one best share communicator, the best of my knowledge. I was not calling to any meeting say Honorable Alan person or share communicators. Debbie, I didn't. And it's a 1 year grand job now. Got now UTV say a drew so. How do we carry along? Okay. Now the general secretary also of the party has been speaking. Or say your name Nkrophobia and I say Malam or say Imam and I say pastor bia yenini ndini ye bia no. We should let the party know so that they will go and beg. Thank you to the assembly. Thank you to the assembly. First, not me, I was very happy about the thank you to, but I'm beginning to lose hope. I'm beginning to think, said, AyEka, let's slow down. Slow down, pa. As I say, already, Ghanaians are beginning to wake up to the realization, say, maybe we were giving pastors too much power in our body politics. Because pastors, we are never catching, say, John Mahama, as it is, he has a good heart. If you put on the Omaina Shenisa, and yes, sir, na ade a stress is ade a hu say ye papa mo nkrofo
and net down say yenim enkofo bebre ka adekonti a yendim kunim e wa batuo no nanso so as a party na say na official report ye hu sampa ye ko Ghana fa na nyina 276 constituencies 16 regions ye ko ni nyina ye busa ye nkofo de ben pa de siye era makupe mo edom report no abrem party omode baaye no National Council editum hona no eti abedeku a from Constitutional Amendment Committee say omontrasi makupe esoso abedeku the report about say any amendment yo ankwa ebu wo kwa amontima anko era makupe enim na so omo proposals for decide ya committee ni kan nyina mbom na meboa July yefre no extraordinary delegate conference na party ni goshia na ye constitution the be essence sakra obam e mama party na nya hodi no omonhwe no montupa na mo era makukwe kratawa odi abeye no ye tia se krata no yentimi mfa embeto abonti sabi eye politics na ye no akansi na wo me hu obi a okwa akansi na ne symptom the strategies odi abeto abonti se Ghana fo nyina monhwe.
Yes, aspirative justice any nsem bebre awo ho no ye pese ye kire se enu nso ye good heart ne bia I doubt say we a good heart and we must be careful not to unnecessarily commit ourselves into the hands of these pastors again. Everyone supports a cause because they have something at stake, something to gain. And he said, "Adiano ya yebi, and na yeba abayamu na ye forget and say na mbuaya." Why do we go and put ourselves in the same situation again? I believe strongly, say Debbie, let's not go over pamper any man of God. Say, ombe joining NPP and I say ombe kasa my NPP and I say ombe bompa and I say ombe shen come my NPP. Bible cracker say, when the people wanted to build the Tower of Babel, Bible says because they are united, because they are of one mind, no, anything they want to do, they will do it. That is why God had to come and change their languages so that there will not be any smooth communication. And I believe, say, instead of going to bring back men of God and imams and co, let us rather concentrate, okay, on unity. So that after AyEka primaries, we will be back together as one piece, as one party. That is the only way I believe, say, we will be able to gain back power. That aside, let's leave the men of God out for now. If along the way, any man of God wants to come back to NPP or wants to come and pray for the NPP, let it be voluntary, but let us not be the ones who hunt after them. That's all I think. This has been the Political Round with me, the voice right on Ghana 7TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.